Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to recover accidentally deleted Instagram Reels on iPhone and Android. Instagram comes with a pretty handy Reels manager, hence you can easily keep track of all of your uploaded videos and get rid of the unwanted ones as and when the need arrives. And if you ever want to restore the accidentally deleted videos, you can do that without any hassle. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. After that, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen to proceed. Next up, choose your activity option in the menu. Next up, tap on Recently Deleted to continue. Then tap on the Reels tab at the top right corner of the screen. After that, find the video that you wish to restore and tap on it. Then tap on the triple dot icon at the bottom. And finally choose the restore option in the menu and you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully recovered your Instagram reel. You can follow the same steps to recover other videos as well. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily restore accidentally deleted Instagram reels on your iOS or Android device. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.